Welcome to these pet loss meditations, a sanctuary for healing and reflection during times of pet loss. My name is Scott, a fellow traveler on this journey of grief and remembrance, having experienced the loss of beloved pets myself. Together, let's honor the love and companionship our pets brought us into our lives. Hi, first of all, just wanted to say thank you so much for being here, and I'm so sorry for the loss of your pet. I'm right there with you, having lost 2 cats myself, and I know that losing a pet can be just maybe the hardest experience we're ever going to have to endure. We feel lost, we feel overwhelmed with grief and sadness, and each person's journey through this pain is so unique. And finding peace can seem impossible sometimes, right? Today, I want to offer a gentle and compassionate meditation using the imagery of nature to help facilitate a sense of connection and tranquility. I'm a big believer that nature can have a lot of powerful benefits and healing effects on us, both physically and mentally. I hope this meditation helps you a little bit, helps you find a little bit of peace. I want you to allow yourself to be open to this experience, just knowing that it's okay to take those small steps towards healing. So let's go ahead and begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Just allow your body to relax and gently close your eyes. And go ahead and take a few deep breaths, inhaling calm and peace, and exhaling tension. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene forest. The air is fresh, and a gentle breeze whispers through the trees. The ground beneath you is soft and covered with leaves, moss, and earth. You take a moment to feel the connection to the ground, sensing the stability and strength of the earth supporting you. As you begin to walk along a path through the forest, notice the tall trees surrounding you. Their branches reach high into the sky, and their leaves rustle softly in the wind. And with each step, you feel more grounded, connected to the natural world around you. I want you to pause for a moment to listen to the sounds of the forest. Birds are singing, leaves are rustling, and maybe you hear a distant stream flowing gently. See if you can allow these soothing sounds to wash over you, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility. Continuing on your path, you come to a clearing. Now, in the center of this clearing is a beautiful, peaceful lake. The water is still and reflects the sky above like a mirror. Now find a comfortable place to sit by the lake, just feeling the soft grass beneath you. As you sit by the water's edge, allow your mind to drift back to the memories of your beloved pet. See if you can remember the joyful moments, the love, and the companionship you shared. It's really natural and normal to feel a mix of emotions here, and it's okay to just let these feelings flow. Whatever comes up for you is fine. Now imagine the surface of the lake representing your mind. When a thought or emotion arises, see it as a ripple on the water. Watch as the ripple gently expands and then fades away, leaving the water calm once more. Allow yourself to acknowledge each emotion without judgment, letting it come and go naturally. Now, picture a small, delicate flower floating on the surface of the lake. This flower represents a beautiful memory of your pet. Now, as you watch it drift, feel the warmth and love of that memory filling your heart. The beauty of nature and the peace of the lake remind you that it's possible to find moments of tranquility even amongst your grief. Now take a few moments to reflect on the cycles of nature. Just as the seasons change, so too does the journey of grief. There are times of storm, there are times of calm, times of loss, and times of renewal. Just know that, like nature, your heart will find a way to heal and grow stronger. Now, imagine the spirit of your pet as a gentle breeze, always present in the natural world around you. Feel their presence in the rustling leaves, the warmth of the sun, and the whispering wind. Just know that they are with you, offering comfort and love. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose, inhaling the peace and beauty of the forest. And an open mouth exhale through your mouth, letting any lingering tension or sorrow go. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, feeling the connection to the natural world and the enduring bond with your pet. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. You can wiggle your fingers and toes if you'd like. Just gently stretch your body. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Carry with you the sense of peace and connection you found in the forest, knowing that nature and the memory of your pet can always bring you comfort. Just remember, it's okay to take small steps towards healing and to find solace in the beauty of nature. Your journey through grief is completely yours. It's unique. And by connecting with the natural world, you can discover moments of peace and hope. Thank you for joining me in this meditation, and I hope you find comfort in the loving memories of your pet.